When we say these two letters together, they make one sound. What letter is this? That's right. This is the letter W.
W.
What letter is this? That's right. This is the letter H. The W and H make a
W.
sound when they are together, as in whale, whistle. Good. Listen to the story. White whales whistle while they swim. Whales whistle wherever they go. Whistling is fun. These white whales whistle when they are happy. Can you whistle like the white whale? Why don't you try it? What does this say?
W.
Good. Now look for things around the room that starts with this sound.